Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can change out the needle on your mini sewing machine. It might be useful if you've broken it or it's got a bit blunt over the years. You will need some sort of coin to undo the screw. You will need a little bit of tissue because it will be a little bit oily, and good eyesight or a little eye loop so you can read what the needle is so you know which one to replace it with. So first things first is you can take out the batteries if you're worried about safety, and we can lift this up here to the highest point. So you can see now that's at the highest point there. And we want to get our coin and we want to undo this screw here. So we're going to go in here and we're going to turn it, if you're looking at it from the back, counterclockwise. So we're turning it, you're bringing it towards you like this. So we're turning it around like that. You only need to do it a little bit, like so. You can see that that's become loose and now the needle wants to come out. With the needle, just bring it down a little bit, and you probably will have to go into that little hole and then bring it, that little hole there, and then bring it back out here. So this is your needle here, and if you look closely at it, it will say on this one, it says 90-14. It's just along here. The camera's not going to pick it up because it's absolutely tiny. So once you've got your replacement needle, this is actually okay, doing this purely for the video, but you can see the oil on my finger here, so I'm just going to clean that up so I don't slip. When we're putting it back in, when you look at the top here, it's shaped, it's kind of like a semicircle with a flat edge. We want the flat edge to be where the screw hits. So don't put it in that way because the screw is going to be going against a curved edge. You want the screw to be hitting on the flat edge. So we're going to be putting the flat edge towards the right hand side of the machine, and we're just going to be going in the hole here and lifting it up, and you want to push it all the way up. If you haven't undone the screw enough, you might find that it's only going, so if I do that, you can see it's only going to there. That's not enough. So undo the screw a little bit more until it goes all the way up, and that's it. And I just want to double check that that is the flat, so the flat side is here. Go up, and we want to do up that screw against the flat. Just clean my finger again because it's gone oily. Now get the coin, put it in here and turn it the opposite way to how you undone it. So we're going from the back, we're going clockwise, turning it there. And that's now nipped up. Don't go too tight, so just nip it up so it's tight but not too tight. And now you can see that the needle is back in position. And if you're worried about the flat, because it's very hard to see where the flat is, if you look at your sewing machine from the front here, you should find that that little hole is perfect like that, so you're passing the thread through. So if that's not like that and the hole's at this angle here or this angle here, you know you haven't done the flat. So undo the screw again and make sure you've got the flat of the needle at the back, because with a bit of oil and it's failing eyesight, it's very hard to see that. But at the end, if you have the hole there, then you know that you've got the flat at the back here or at the front here. So if you're confident that you put the flat at the back here, chances are you've got it spot on. Thanks for watching.